Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please like, share, and subscribe. I have today for you all the Ryobi 14 watt panel, 21 watt solar panel, and also the 60 watt solar panel. I paid $79 for that 14 watt panel. I paid $99 for the 21 watt panel, and I paid $249 for the 60 watt panel. So I know that, that those are, that panel is a little expensive to me, on the expensive side, but it's Ryobi, and I'm in Ryobi's ecosystem, so I'm definitely going to see how that performs. But they stated that all of the charging times came from the new 18-volt power generator that they have coming out. I've been looking on their site to see if it's available. It's not available just yet, but when it comes out, we will be testing that also to see if they perform as stated. So, but I will be testing them out with this inverter to actually see if they perform as stated. They stated that you can charge up a 2 amp battery in less than an hour with the actual 18-volt power generator. So I want to see how it would charge with this inverter. The power generator is not out yet, but I'm going to test it with that inverter to see how that works. I'll be testing all three of these with the inverter to see how it works. So with that being said, let's get down to this unboxing. All right, here we have the 14 watt foldable solar panel by Ryobi, and this is an unboxing. So it states here on the box that it is USB-C compatible, USB-A compatible, and also it needs direct sunlight. It says it can charge your phone in 2 hours and 20 minutes. So 2 hours and 20 minutes for this panel. It's a 14 watt panel. It's made for smaller devices such as cell phones and watches and little, like music players or boxes or whatever. So we're going to get down to the unboxing. It's a 3-year warranty on it. So let's open it up. Okay. All right. Here you have it. This is packaging. Comes with the operator's manual here. That's what's in the box. That's everything in the box. So let's get into it. Here you have it. Oh, Ryobi solar panel. It looks like it's a little defect on it. Got a little thing is broken here. So, but as you open it up, it gives you the instructions. This is a little caution label, so that ain't nothing. They give you the instructions on how to use this panel and what it will do and charge. It does have a note down here at the bottom. Weather conditions may decrease the efficiency of the charger, so be aware of that. It's a 2-panel charger, so it's the quality is it's kind of flimsy, but it's a smaller. It's made for smaller items, so you don't really need a large one to charge your phone and charge up your watches and devices of that nature. In this pocket, the pocket also has a 10 watt USB-C charger and a USB-A charging port. It does have an LED. It has an LED in the middle. I guess that's the indicator to let you know that when it's charging or not. So this is the Ryobi 14 watt solar panel. It's new by Ryobi. All of the panels are new by Ryobi. So, all right. let's get on to the next one. Here we have the Ryobi 21 watt foldable solar panel. Looks similar to the 14. Very similar to the 14. Same amount of year warranty, 3 years. Same construction. Basically have it says this one will charge your cell phone in 1 hour and 50 minutes. So, and the output max watts is 12 watts in a USB-C and 12 watts in a USB-A. So we're going to unbox this. So let's get started. There you have it. Alright. They have the operator's manual here and the charger. This one didn't come defected, so that's a good thing. Yeah, so basically construction is the same. This one is a 3-panel. This has a 3-panel. So you got 3 panels. They're pretty small. They're pretty small in diameter. So, but inside of the zipper pocket, you have the same charger. Same kind of connectors in this zipper pocket as in the 14 watt. This one states it'll do 12 watts max on the USB-C and USB-A. So it has the same little LED indicator to indicate if when the panel is charging. So okay, so we'll get to the next one, which that is the one that I believe that everybody would actually purchase because it does give out a better wattage output. We have here, this one here is the Ryobi 60 watt panel. It's a foldable 60 watt panel. It comes with barrel plugs to this one, so it's just not the USB-C and the USB-A. It has barrel plugs also included with this one. So, and it does have a 3-year warranty also, and it also states that you can charge your cell phone in 1 hour and 15 minutes. So that's in direct sunlight. So basically in direct sunlight, you should be able to get 1 hour and 15 minutes out of it. But we will be testing it to see if it'll do exactly what it says. But the testing, basically, like I said earlier, the testing was done with the 18 volt power station. So we're gonna get to the unboxing here. Let's do this. You got some foam. You got a foam piece here to keep it sturdy in there. Okay. Alright, this one's a little bit bigger. Not a little bit, it's significantly larger. Put this over here. Put it over there like that. This one is significantly larger. Here you have it. Alright, it's bubble wrap. You get an owner's manual in here, operator's manual there. Have it put this away over here. Alright, yeah, you get an operator's manual. Put that over there too. Okay, so on this solar panel, you in the pocket. I'm gonna start off with the pocket. The pocket, you get a little pouch here. It looks like it's a little pouch. Oh, here's the barrels. These are the barrels on it. So, yeah, you got a S, C, and K barrel here. All right, these are the barrels to it. It's a little pouch. And it has a little pocket on the inside too. It has a little pocket. It looks like there's a little pocket in there. Okay. Also, here go the little On this one, this has a lot bigger. It's a bigger converter here. You have a 24 watt going into the USB-A, 24 watt max in a USB-C. You have 45 watt max in the and also in the barrel you have 59 watts max going into your ports. So you do have an LED on this one too to indicate that if it's charging or not. So this is a bigger output panel. Yes, it actually is. It's magnetic. It closes magnetically. It got a handle that you can. Handle is pretty sturdy. It has holes for you to actually hang it up with something. Here you have the holes that you can hang it somewhere. If you get you some rope or something, you can hang it up. The panel itself, it seems really sturdy. It seems like good quality. This panel does. The quality on here seems pretty good, and it has stands also. It has two stands. This is one of the stands, and this one here is the other stand. So you can stand it up like so. Get your sunlight. So it's fairly decent. It's probably about 2 feet in length. 2 feet in length and 2.5 feet in width. So it's pretty good quality. I actually like the panel. It's, the quality of it is on par with some of the other panels. So with that being said, we're going to get down to testing these as soon as possible. All right. So there you have it. Ryobi Solar Panel Chargers.